Are you tired of having to walk all the way to McDonald's or Carl's Jr. just to get your grub on? Well, now you don't. Located on Husky Way in front of Gate 1 of the Wagner Stadium, Malibu Bagels is a Husky hotspot to get a bite to eat. Offering a wide variety of food and beverages suitable to the student diet, from breakfast bagels to pastrami sandwiches, nachos, chili cheese dogs. If you want a more eloquent meal, they got enchiladas, salads, beef broccoli, and even chow mein. If you haven't had your morning joe yet, they got that too, as well as champurrado. All at reasonable prices ranging from $1 to $6. $6 is the maximum for the steak and egg sandwich. Kenny got himself a breakfast bagel with sausage, egg and cheese, and a hash brown in the middle. Tell us how it tastes, Kenny. Danny went with both lunch and dinner, getting the mouth-watering pastrami plate, served with warm seasonal fries and a lot of ketchup. You like Malibu Bagels so much? Follow them on Facebook and Twitter.